Ombudsman Jesus Remulla. Hindi pa pwedeng arestuhin si Senator Bato dahil unofficial pa daw yung warrant of arrest. Something is fishy. Tingnan nyo to. Explain ko later.
Kung tatanungin niyo ako kung meron warrant, meron. Nasa telepono ko. I have a copy. Pero, hindi pa yan, hindi siya official copy, kaya, basta alam ko meron. Confirm yan. Nasa telepono ko yung warrant. Pero, hindi yan official copy. Dadaan yan sa proper channels para ma-implement yan.
As far as I know, wala namang pinagkaiba yung warrant of arrest ni Tatay Digong or ni FPRRD before and kay Senator Bato. Both, as far as I know, wala ako nakitang na copy na paper document na warrant of arrest na na-serve for FPRRD. If there is, my mistake. But if wala, then it means pareho lang. Right? Na nasa email lang or nasa phone lang. Pero bakit parang there's a big difference na ngayon? Kasi before, sa walang process na nangyari, diretso aresto kay FPRRD. Ngayon, sinasabi nyo na hindi pa pwedeng arestuhin kasi may process pa, may ililink pa, ganito, ganyan. Bakit? Anong difference? Bakit may process na ngayon? Are you saying that there's a new rule or new, ano bang tawag niyan, new process na ginawa na kaya hindi siya basta-basta arestuhin? Yan bang sinasabi nyo? Or baka naman ayaw nyo na mag-question na naman yung mga tao bakit ginawa nyo ganon? The same kay FPRRD na situation. Or sinasabi nyo ba na mali yung pagka-aresto kay former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte? Kaya ang ginagawa nyo ngayon is you're trying to correct what is the right process and do exactly the process. Again, that's just my opinion. Let me know what you think. For now, cheers. Bye.